Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 2 of the hashtag 12 Days with Alease and Rhonda collab. So this is the second day, and the prompt for the second day was a Christmas tree and ornaments. So I have my Christmas tree here, and for my own ornaments, I'm using glitter. I decided to make a tag, and I have my tree, my star, the word joy, some of this nice shaggy thread here, Mr. Santa and Mrs. Claus and a little reindeer, and my star. And that's my tag for day 2. Now the collab is being sponsored by Alease 46 and Rhonda's Got a Project. For 12 days, they're issuing prompts, and you can make whatever you want using stuff in your stash. They don't want you to go out and buy anything. Check out Lisa's channel. I'll hook it down below. Thank you for joining me. Tell me what you think of the tag and how well I did with the prompt of Christmas tree and ornaments. So I'll talk to you soon in the next video for day 3, if I get around to day 3, which is my favorite movie or my favorite Christmas carol. So I'll have to think about that for a bit and see if I can get anything going for that. So thank you for joining me. Tell me what you think about it. If you decide you want to participate in the collab with these ladies, you don't have to do every day. You can just do one day. They have the prompts all listed. Go over and check out their channels, and I'll check you out in the next video. Don't forget to be the reason somebody smiles, and please, please, please enjoy this holiday season, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.